Is Chrome running slow, websites not loading properly, or are you facing login problems? The problem might be your caching cookies. In this video, I'll show you how to clear caching cookies in Google Chrome step by step and fix common browsing issues in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Now open your Google Chrome browser. In the top right corner, click on the three vertical dots menu, then select Settings. This is your browser's command center, so don't skip it. From the left-hand menu in the Settings page, click on Privacy and Security. This is where all your browsing data and cookie controls live. Click on the Delete Browsing Data option located at the top of the Privacy and Security section. Here is a quick heads up. This is the same menu you'd use for clearing cache, so you are in the right place. Set your preferred time range, for example, last 24 hours, last 7 days, or all time. Ensure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are selected. Here's a pro tip. Uncheck browsing history if you wish to keep your search visit history. This way, you clear the clutter without losing your bookmarks. Click the Delete Data button to clear the cached files and cookies from your browser.